while you are in that moment, then you are the dawn. You have really reached somewhere where you can witness exactly the way this light falls here on my this, eyeball, how it reflects off right now. If I know that, just by watching, okay, ये दो light हैं, if the camera is here, what am I going to do at that one particular moment when I am told that my son is dead? I am going to bring only one tear from my left eye so that this light catches it and reflects it here. For that, I need to find the focal point, midpoint, and keep my eye in that direction. It's geometry, nothing else but pure geometry. But the ability to go on doing it again and again and again and again with the same results is the hallmark of good acting. They also say that consistency is the death of good acting. But when they say that, that is when you become very repetitive. When you become very outwardly same, because you stop listening to how you are saying a line. Unfortunately, most of our Indian cinema is still word centric. We have very rarely an entire scene where nobody speaks anything. And we are going to be in that society for a little while. So the dialogue suddenly becomes, the written line suddenly becomes very important. But what I have realized in my experience is that when I trigger off an emotional memory and I say that line, it comes out in a slightly theatrical manner. It comes out slightly false, fake. And there are actors who just throw away lines. But when you look at them on screen, you feel that they've created the moment. The difference is, just now I should not worry about how I had reacted then. What was the pitch of my voice at that time? Whenever I want to cry, I do something very simple. I have a daughter who is 25 years old. I imagine her first day at school. I remember her first day at school. That is when I and my wife had gone to drop her at school, and my wife then reported to me that I was crying more than she was crying, which I didn't notice at that time. But whenever I want to cry, I remember that moment. And whatever may be the situation, I can start crying. There are certain triggers that you have which are very personal in nature. You feel as if you are violating your own self when you tap into that emotion in order to give a performance. But please don't fall into that trap. An actor is first and foremost a human being. His body, his voice, and maybe his eyes are the only tools he has to convey anything that is given to him. So there is no way that you can disassociate your own personal life. कुछ लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं, मालूम है, कि अरे उनकी माँ मर गई, लेकिन 1 घंटे में तो वो शॉट देने के लिए आ गए थे सर, हम तो पैकअप करने वाले थे, लेकिन वो तो आ गए थे. तो शायद वो इसलिए क्योंकि अगर मैं 1 घंटे में काम पे वापस नहीं जाता हूं तो मैं ज्यादा डिप्रेस हो जाऊंगा, शैटर हो जाऊंगा, शायद मैं इतने डीप डिप्रेशन में चला जाऊंगा कि जिसमें से मुझे वापस आने में बहुत देर लग जाएगी. शायद मेरा काम मेरा रेफ्यूज है. तो ऐसे we also escape from a lot of emotions. The point is, what is happening is that what I feel is that, we are living in an age where there is such a lot of outside intervention everywhere. I mean, suppose if you have had a tiff with your boyfriend, and if you are in a room full of 5 people, you will not be able to grieve about it. Because those 5 will be there to ask you, क्या हुआ? फिर उसने क्या बोला? फिर तेने, अरे ये बोलना चाहिए ना यार, you should have told them. I was, oh, he's an idiot यार. Don't worry, I'll talk to him. The point is, you know inside that it is over. And you want to just grieve about it. They don't give you the time. We don't have the time to grieve. पहले 13 दिन देते थे, 12वां 13वां होता था, आदमी मर गया उसके बाद में 12वां 13वां में महाभोज होता था, लोग लड्डू खाते थे और अपने अपने घर पे जाते थे. Officially the mourning time was over after 13 days, but those 13 days they would remember that man, cry their hearts out, and after 13th day they get up and they meet the life, and then that memory stops bothering them. Whereas here, we are living in such tense times that we don't have enough time to express our emotion. Lot of us go through a lot of suppression. For example, I have a problem of imploding anger. I can never express anger as a human being. Now, if I have to express anger as a character, it helps. Because all my angst about everybody around me in my real life, I use to exorcise myself while I am doing that character of being an angry man.